In the first part of the Millionaire Fastlane, we shattered the myth that wealth must come slowly. We uncovered the dangers of the slow lane, a path that trades your time for money, delays gratification for decades, and often ends in regret. We explored the power of the fast lane, a system that prioritizes leverage, control, time independence, and scale. A philosophy not just to make money, but to reclaim your life. Now, in this continuation, we go deeper. Let's explore how you can build your fast lane business, overcome limiting beliefs, and lay the foundation for true financial freedom. Let's begin by looking at how your mindset influences your path to wealth. Fast lane wealth begins in the mind. You have to unlearn decades of conditioning. That security is more important than freedom. That saving pennies is more important than solving big problems. That risk is something to avoid, not manage. DeMarco says, if you want to change your life, you have to change your expectations. Slow lane thinkers ask, how can I afford this? Fast lane thinkers ask, how can I create this? One seeks permission, the other takes responsibility. It starts with belief that you are capable of creating value at scale. Next, let's understand what really drives money. And it's not time. Money is not earned, it's exchanged for value. If you want to get rich fast, stop chasing money and start creating value. Ask, what problems can I solve? What market is underserved? What can I improve, simplify, or transform? The fast lane isn't about passion, it's about value. Solving pain, saving time, delivering joy, or creating convenience. Find pain. Be the cure. Money flows to those who solve problems efficiently and repeatedly. Now let's talk about one of DeMarco's most powerful concepts, how execution and product must go hand in hand. DeMarco introduces a powerful concept, producticution, the fusion of product and execution. A good idea without execution is worthless, but excellent execution of a poor product leads nowhere. You need both, a product that solves a real need, execution that puts it in front of the right people at the right time. Producticution is about action, fast iterations, learning through feedback, and getting to market early. It's not about perfection, it's about improvement and momentum. As you reflect on where you stand today, ask yourself, which road are you really on? The world offers 3 roads. Sidewalk, living paycheck to paycheck. No financial discipline. Slow lane, stable job, slow growth, delayed freedom. Fast lane, ownership, control, scalable income. Most people live on the sidewalk or slow lane. Few take the fast lane. Why? Because it requires courage, responsibility, action. But fast laners don't wait for life to happen. They build it. Let's revisit the 5 fast lane commandments and see how they apply in real-world business models. Control, you build the platform, not rent it. You sell your own product, not someone else's. Entry, you enter markets where most people can't, by being better, faster, smarter. Need, your business exists to serve, not just express your passion. Time, your business works while you sleep. Scale, you serve thousands or millions, not just a few. If your business violates even one, you're at risk of falling back into the slow lane. To help you visualize this, let's look at some real-world business models that follow fast lane principles. Software as a service, SaaS. Build once, serve forever. Recurring income, scalable, timeless. E-commerce with brand ownership. You own the product, the brand, and the customer. Online education platforms. Courses, coaching, content, scalable and evergreen. Mobile apps and digital tools. Built to solve micro pains or save time, used globally. Each model combines control, value, scale, and time independence. But if all this sounds so doable, what stops people from starting? Fear, perfectionism, doubt. The number one reason people stay stuck, they wait. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect idea, the perfect skill set. But success doesn't come from waiting, it comes from building. DeMarco says, "You can't drive a parked car. Momentum begins with motion. Start small, learn as you go. The path will reveal itself to those who walk it." So, what could the next 12 months look like if you committed fully to this path? What if for the next year you committed to the Fastlane fully? You choose a problem to solve. You build a product or service that solves it. You validate through feedback. You build systems around it. You detach your income from your hours. Where could you be in 12 months? In 24? This isn't magic. It's math plus mindset plus execution. You don't need to wait a lifetime. You need a vehicle, a roadmap, and relentless action. Let's wrap up this part with one final reflection. The fast lane is not a shortcut. It's a different road entirely. The fast lane is not a hack. It's not a shortcut. It's a commitment to building something meaningful, scalable, and self-sustaining. It's the path of the creator, not the consumer. It's about buying back your time by serving others. It's about freedom, not just wealth. Wealth is not the end. It's the tool that enables the life you want. If the Millionaire Fastlane helped you think differently, then get ready for the next step. A book that shows you how to test, build, and scale your idea from day one. Our next audiobook dives into The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Because ideas are worthless unless you know how to launch them smart. Until then, stay in the driver's seat.